How to fix Roblox crashing on your device? First step, open Roblox, click the three dot icon in the left hand side, click it, click settings, click security settings, scroll down, click log out of all other seasons, click it and click log out. Next step, search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage, click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder, click it, click download folder, delete the files inside the download folder, come back, click local storage, delete the files inside the local storage, click log folder, delete the files and folders inside the log folder, close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, select allow an app, select change settings, scroll down, click Roblox. It should be enabled in both private and public. If the application not having means, click allow another app in the bottom side, click browse. For easy method, come outside, right click Roblox, click open file location, copy the address, go back, click browse, paste the address here. You can easily get the application, click it and add it. Once adding after, enable in both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Next step, right click Roblox, click run as administrator or else click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Next step, search for command prompt, right click run as administrator, type the following text sfc space / scan now, click enter and wait for some time. It's scanning and verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. There is no corrupted file available, exit it, move on with next step. Search for device manager, click it, click display adapters, right click the display adapters, click update driver. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website. You can check the drivers here. Go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Depends on your device. Last step, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings, scroll down, check for Roblox application. If it's not having means you need to add it. Click add desktop app. Click the application and add it. Once adding after, you need to open it. Select the GPU preference, it depends on you. You can set it as high preference or let window decide. Optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode.